Hello friends, welcome to Khushi's Kitchen. Today I am going to make prawn polau with veggies from my home style cooking recipes. Let's start the video and quickly have a look to the ingredients enlisted for making veg prawn polau recipe. And the ingredients are rice. Here I have taken 1 kg of rice, Govindo Atop. You can use basmati rice instead if Govindo rice is not available. Carrot, beans, capsicum, cauliflower and green peas too. Paneer and shrimps or small prawns too. For cooking, vegetable oil, ghee, whole garam masala 1 small packet, bay leaf 2 numbers, green chilli 2 numbers, ginger paste, roasted cumin, garam masala powder, salt to taste, sugar to taste. For garnishing, fried onions, roasted cashew nuts and raisins. Please check the description box below where I have mentioned the quantity of ingredients which I have used for making this recipe in details, and also tried to explain the process in details too. First I cut the carrot, beans and capsicum into very fine pieces, and also the cauliflower into small pieces. Remove the shell of the green peas and store it in a bowl. Take the paneer and cut it into small pieces. Also marinate the prawn with little bit of salt and turmeric powder. Grind the ginger and make a fine paste of it. Take a wok, place the wok on the gas oven and switch on the flame. Add vegetable oil and 1 teaspoon of ghee in it. After heated, put the paneer and fry them until little yellowish. Take it off and keep it aside. Roast the cashew nuts until it turns golden brown. Also add soaked raisins in it. Take it off and keep them aside. Take the small pieces of onions and fry them until it turns golden brown to make onions beresta. Take it off in a plate and keep it aside. Add small pieces of cauliflower and fry them until it turns golden brown. Take it off and keep it aside. Add also the beans, carrot and capsicum. Add a little salt to it and fry them for a little while to keep all the veggies green and crunchy. Lastly, add a little pinch of salt and a little pinch of Kashmiri red chilli powder and put the marinated prawns in it. Fry them for some time. This step has to be done for adding colors to the prawn. Take another wok and place it on low flame of gas oven. Add the remaining oil and ghee to it. After heated the both, add 2 bay leaves, 2 green chillies and 1 small packet of garam masala. Stir it for some time. When the good aroma comes out, then add ginger and stir well. Here at this stage, add unsoaked and dried raw rice to the yolk and stir it very well on high flame for 5 to 7 minutes. Now add salt, roasted cumin, fried prawns and green peas to it. Keep stirring to avoid burning. After stirring the whole very well, lastly add water to it and bring the whole to a boiling point. Turn off the gas flame. The ratio of water and rice is 1 cup of rice is equal to 1.5 cup of water. Here I have taken 4 cups of rice and I have added 6 cups of water in it. Take a pressure cooker, add some oil in it. When the oil is heated, rotate the oil well to the whole pressure cooker to avoid sticking. Now shift the whole water, rice and the rest to the heated cooker from the yolk and close the lid and wait for 1 whistle. After 1 whistle, turn off the flame and allow the vapor to be released normally. After the vapor has been released, immediately open the lid and shift the rice into a big vessel to avoid sticking. Spread the rice very well with the help of spatula and allow the rice to be cooled down under fan for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, switch the fan off. Now add sugar, ghee and garam masala to it. If needed, salt can be added. Add all the veggies and paneer to mix the whole very well. Give a good stir very carefully to it. Cover the vessel with a lid. Keep an outstanding time of 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, take a serving bowl and place it in a serving bowl. Garnish it with fried onions, roasted cashew nuts and raisins. Here, have a look. The rice separate from each other neatly. This is only possible because of the previous 2 steps. First, I fried the rice very well with oil for 5 minutes on high flame, and the second one is the measurement of water. Today's video is up to this for the time being. Thanks for watching, and we'll be coming back soon with a new recipe. Please do like, share and subscribe the channel Khushi's Kitchen. Please do write respective comments regarding this recipe. Thank you.